Okay, 46, start at the beginning. And I'm going to simplify the, the 1 over t minus 1 over each t minus 1. So that's going to be t goes to 0 from the right. And I'm looking at that. Common denominator would be t. And then you get e to the t minus 1. And what do you get on top? You get e to the t minus 1 minus t. All right? Granted, that might not help us, but I want to look at it, and kind of looking at it, I'm still getting troubles over here. I'm still getting, on top, when I go to 0 from the right side, I would get, what do I get? If I go to 0, let me see if I did that right. E to the t minus 1 minus t, and I go to 0. Yeah, you get 0 on top, and on bottom you also get 0. So I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule. And that's going to be limit as t goes 0 from the right. And let's do the top. The derivative of the top is going to be e to the t minus 1. What's the derivative of the bottom? Let's see. I'm going to do derivative of t is 1, so it'll be e to the t minus 1. This is the product rule, by the way, plus t times the derivative of that e to the t minus 1, which is e to the t. All right, I'm going to do a little simplification over here and see what happens when I do that. This limit t goes to 0 from the right, you get e to the t minus 1 on top. That's not bad. On bottom, you get e to the t minus 1, let's see, plus t e to the t. All right, now looking at it again, going to 0 from the right side, the top becomes 0. The bottom, let's see, that's, 0 again. I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule again. That's t goes to 0 from the right. On the top, you get e to the t. That's nice. On the bottom, you get e to the t. And then you're going to get, let's see, the derivative of t is 1, so e to the t. And then you can get t e to the t. And as you go towards 0 from the right, the limit of the top now is 1. And the limit of the bottom is 1 plus 1 plus none, which is 2. So I got my limit is 1/2. Thank you.